finish the cases as early as possible. Kasi yung naging dating lumang tugtugin na ng inordinate delay of justice, hindi ho mangyayari dito. Sa atin dito, we do the case build-up so we can present the cases immediately. Wala hong mahabang kaso-kaso rito. Basta andyan na yung ebidensya, ilalatag namin yan pag handa na kami. At malamang hindi namin ifa-file ang kaso pag hindi kami handa.
Pardon me for belaboring the point. No? Ano nga pong status nila Senator Villanueva, Senator Escudero? Ongoing PI, correct?
Ongoing PI.
Okay. And relatedly, kasi magsasabi ng iba, the reason why they transferred was in exchange for...
I am not privy to anything of that nature. No, mind you, we don't make deals with anybody with regards to the culpability or innocence of anybody. We don't make deals like that.
And you're not going to be...
So all the deals that we make here will be in open court. If we will discharge you as a witness, we will have you discharged as a witness. But there are no other deals accepted here.
Ombudsman, good afternoon. Ano po yung maring naging dahilan, Ombudsman, kung bakit preliminary investigation pa rin yung ilalabas against Senator Joel Villanueva? For in fact, ang pagkakaintindi ko during the last time na magkaroon ng press conference with you, Ombudsman, ay parang ifa-file na yung kaso.
Hindi namin tinanggap yung findings ng DOJ kasi nakulangan kami sa case build-up na ginawa ng DOJ, so we had to conduct our own. And we have to conduct our own. Ano yan eh? It's our choice whether or not to accept the work of the DOJ because we delegate work to them. And in case we have to improve on the cases to make sure that they're tight cases, watertight cases, then we conduct our own PI in this office. Kasi nga, what we delegated was not the result was not satisfactory to us, to our standards.
Sir, pasagutin na natin ikaw. Kasi yung mga nagsasabi, una muna, binabawasan nyo yung mga minority senators sa Senate para pagdating ng, you know...
Hindi. Wala yan. I didn't even ask this to happen. All the evidence came from, you know where. Diba? Hindi naman namin hiningi ito mangyari eh. Pero nangyari ito dahil motu proprio, apparently the crime was committed in open knowledge of everybody. All of you are witness to the actuations of the guy, of what he has said in public. That of course, given the sworn statements that he has executed, will actually make a case for his being charged of plunder.
File na rin po ba si Mike Defensor? Ang counter nila? Both?
I think so.
Sir, advance ko lang ng konti yung story. Kasi si Senator Chingoy has been suspended by the Senate as per order by the Sandigan.
Yes.
So the same thing is going to happen to Senator Marcoleta? Kasi plunder, sir?
Yes. It will depend on the court, of course.
Okay. And then if and when the Sandigan Bayan suspends him, can he still participate? Question whether senator facing a plunder non-bailable case at the Sandigan Bayan, can they still participate in Senate proceedings?
In accordance with the plunder law, they cannot anymore. Exactly.